Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and I'm super excited to share that I received the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipsticks in my mail today. The L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipsticks have added beautiful sunset colors that work for all Indian skin tones. The formula of these lipsticks is weightless and matte, and you will not feel excessively dry. You can layer the colors and still not feel too sticky or too thick. The colors are intense and it includes reds, pinks, nudes and plums. I absolutely love the packaging, and the applicator that comes with this gives you absolute precision while applying. And now I'm going to apply the newly launched 5 sunset colors on myself, and of course I'm going to swatch the rest and show them to you. So shade 127, I Vibrate, the perfect shade of sunset orange. It has a bright orange hue to it. You can wear it during the day and night time as well, and it would work for all Indian skin tones. So shade 128, I Decide, the perfect shade of pink for a makeup lover. I think all we women have the maximum amount of pink lipsticks in our kit, and I think this would work brilliantly for fair and medium to dark skin tones as well. Next comes in shade 129, I Lead. And if you're someone like me who loves their warm brown pinks, you are going to love this shade. So the shade 129, I Lead. Now I think this is a beautiful rosy pink with a brown undertone. Great to wear it to work. I mean, I would also wear it in the evenings, team it up with an intense smoky eye. I think it'll look lovely. So I feel it would look better on cooler undertones. Next comes in the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lipstick in shade 130, I Amaze. So this is the perfect color in case you wish to stand out. It's orange, but it's not over the top. It would work on all skin tones, and of course it has a slight pink undertone to it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Next color that comes in is shade 131 in I Captivate. So the shade 131 I Captivate is the perfect dark plum if you wish to make a statement. In fact, I would also wear it with intense smoky eyes in case I really want to keep the look really sharp and strong. You can also wear it with your black outfits, with your grey outfits, just for a statement look and keep the eye really soft. But that really is a personal choice. It has both plum and berry undertones, and that's why it has such a great intense color payoff. So guys, now I'm going to swatch rest of the 7 shades and show you sheer gorgeousness. Shade 105, I Rule. 1 to 1, I Choose. 1 to 8, I decide. Shade 116, I explore. Shade 1 to 9, I lead. Shade 130, I amaze. Shade 126, I play. Shade 127, I vibrate. Shade 115, I am worth it. Shade 114, I represent. One 103, I enjoy. One 131, shade I captivate. So the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lipsticks have a color for every mood. And if you buy 2 lipsticks together at any L'Oreal Paris store, you get a beautiful clutch free. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and do let me know in the comments your favorite shade. This is Chandni Singh signing off.